Hi. First, welcome back. Whether it's your second term or it's your fifth, this is a new and different world. So, as you know, at the end of last term, we found ourselves facing a pandemic and having to adjust everything that you knew to a whole new way of living. This is an incredible time for leadership, certainly not a laboratory any of us would seek, but it is a time when we get a chance to really look at how we lead and to begin to dig down and dig deep into how we can become a better leader. That doesn't happen overnight, and it certainly isn't something that we can, in a cavalier, just walk on forward. There's a lot of thinking that has to go into things. So I invite you into this new world as a leader who's exposing yourself all the time to new thoughts and to new theories and to new beliefs, as a leader who is finding that nothing happens by yourself. It does truly take a village to accomplish almost anything. In fact, everything needs a village. You're finding out the difference between calm and comfort. You're finding a lot of things about lack of control, lack of agency, and making decisions that could only be described as momentary. All of this has to do with leadership, but it also puts a tremendous strain on each and every one of us. So the reason I'm sending you this is as your program director, as your advisor, but as someone who cares deeply for you. This is the time when we need to always make sure that we have what we need. Audrey Hepburn said that you had two hands, one to lift yourself up and the other to lift up someone else. So I also invite you to be involved. Look around you. Even if you're online, doesn't mean you're not looking around at the people that you're going to class with. Please look at them. Please see if they seem to be okay or if they need help. This is our village. And the way our village is constructed, the culture here is based on how we all treat each other. If you need something, please ask. I may not have the answer. Frequently I don't, but I will go looking for it and I will find what you need. If you see somebody who might be in trouble, reach out a hand. Remember, you have two. One hand for you and one hand for them. Finally, if there's anything in the classes that aren't working, your instructors are so dedicated to you. I can't even begin to tell you how much it matters to them that you're doing well. So please reach out to them if there's anything that they can do to help. Remember, we are all here because we made decisions, good ones, and it's still a good decision. So even though things are different and we don't really know, for hybrid students, I don't know when we'll go back on ground. I do know there's a lot of planning that has to go into it, strategy, not only to protect us, but to protect others. And as we kind of navigate those murky waters, it could be some time before we're back on ground. But in the meantime, you're not alone. We're all in this together. If there's anything you think could be done to make this experience a better one, please get in touch with me. But believe me, we are all dedicated to you, to each and every one of you. We see you, we know you, and we care for you. So welcome to the summer term. I hope the weather outside gets really warm and inviting. I want to invite you to remember that this is a really important time. Every day is an important one, don't you think? So take the time, do what you need to do. Let us help. And if there's anything that you want to talk about, please feel free to contact me. You know that I will always be here for you. Take care.